I like gas-powered Stihl chainsaws. A lot. It's what I bought when I needed to clear the piece of property that I built my house on. So when I heard that Stihl was coming out with a battery-powered electric chainsaw, I was curious. Now, I've already done a test between this battery-powered chainsaw and a gas-powered Stihl chainsaw, and I was pleasantly surprised with the results. But it made me want to go a bit more in-depth. And that's what I'm doing this morning, as soon as I finish my coffee. Alright, the actual chainsaw that I'm testing today is the Stihl MSA 120C. I'm looking for three things today. First of all, how long does this battery actually last? I know that's one of the big questions people have about battery-powered tools. Second thing I'm looking for, does it have enough power to do what a chainsaw actually needs to do? And the third thing that I'm looking for today is how easy is it to use, because I know that's one of the big selling points. So, let's find out. Alright, I just got done doing some limbing, some cleaning up, and the battery says that I've used a total of 1 bar so far. So what I'm going to do is, I've got an old 4x4 out here, I'm going to cut through this a handful of times, make the chainsaw work a bit harder, and then we'll see how the battery's doing after that. Alright, at the start of this test, I was looking for three things. Power, battery life, ease of use. I'll get to power in a second. Battery life, it did all of the work that you saw me do, and it still had 2 bars left on the battery. So, I have to say battery life's a check. Ease of use, incredibly easy to use. You put the battery in and basically, you're ready to go. Now, as far as the power is concerned, I know a lot of people are worried about that. It did everything that I needed it to do today. It never felt like it was working really hard to do it. But here's the thing, it's not a gas-powered Stihl chainsaw. It does not have the same power you're gonna get with one of your gas-powered Stihl chainsaws. You gotta know that going into it, but that's also not the point. It's not made for those big jobs. It's made for a homeowner who wants to keep their yard looking nice and do those smaller projects. And for that, it has all the power that you need.